Hello everyone, thanks for joining. This is a project of a vase we had stored away. As you can see, the gold paint on this vase is already kind of worn out and it looks pretty beat. So we decided to go with a satin Italian olive spray on it. This olive color we had is also from a paint that we had here stored away. Now we decided to use it just because obviously we want to repurpose, reuse some of the stuff we had put away rather than throwing it out or keeping it decluttered somewhere. We decided to just go ahead and start using them again. So in this case, this vase wasn't going to be used the way it was with the color gold, so we decided to go with this olive color for it. As you can see here, we're just giving it a quick coat. Just remember, before you paint over any of your any project in general, just make sure the old paint is not chipping off. Because if it is chipping, well then, eventually that's going to cause for your new paint to chip as well. So it's going to be falling off. So just make sure any project you take on, just clean it out properly. If it needs sanding, sand it. Obviously we're not going to sand this because it's glass. All we're doing is just giving it a minor wash and checking if there's any flakes of the old paint. Other than that, this olive color should stay on it and will not be coming off. So here it is. Once you finish doing the painting, just make sure give it another second coat if you have to, if you see any areas that may be missing some paint. Now obviously this is just another one of our small projects that we'd like to take on. I like to take on. It's very simple. I believe anybody could do this, and obviously, this looks. It's not gonna look perfect, but it's perfect for you. Perfect for the DIYer, perfect for the person who did it. So you save money, and obviously you feel good of doing something. Little project you take on. It's not just something you picked off from the shelf at a store. So it'll add value to this. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll keep coming out with some more of these for you guys. Thanks.